nyama yeqophuluka impali yalilithe yalotha sisithi kunamhlanje kusuka amathafa amaqhawe kusuka amathafa amaqhathikazi naso
Sizwe sikaPhungano Mageba kulo lonke likaMthaniya ngenibingelele ngomfowakankeshe isimo ke sisizwe sakaZulu asihle njengamanje asikho esimeni esihle sidinga amazwi enduduzo sidinga amazwi okweluleka kuzo zonke indlela ngoba lokho kwenzeka endlunkulu endlini yobukhosi bakwaZulu akukuhle kahle ngendlela esiyenzeka ngayo njengamanje reading from indaba and ukubukela indaba SABC na ku Twitter ngendlela izinto ezenzeka ngayo kubonakala obala ukuthi umbango wobukhosi nesicoco usohlwini njengamanje umndeni wakwaZulu uyalwa uyabanga ngoba unkosikazi lo wokuqala uMadlamini weSilo ufake icala enkantolo eMgungundlovu lokuthi udemanda u50% wakho konke okukade kuphathwe iSilo kanye kahle bekube owner bobabili ngoba phela iyena olegally married to iSilo shuthi lawa amanye amakhosikazi a customary married shuthi ke kahle yena usebenzisa ama legal terms because nezathu ayibekile lapha uma ngifunda le article ikhuluma ngokuthi uyakhala ukuthi yena even nanokuthi azaganelwe endlunkulu kwawukuthi wathwala ena 20 years and kwakuyona indlela yokuthi athole ubukhosi iSilo indlela ke leyo esichaza ngayo kodwa ke nanokukhothama kwebamba ubukhosi uQueen Mantombi nakho kodwa futhi nakho kuraise ama concerns ngoba kwi video leya indunankulu yesizwe samaZulu umntwana uMangosuthu Buthelezi uyichazele indaba yokuthi kutholakale upoison ngaphakathi ke shuthi anganoma ibindini kubamba ubukhosi indlovukazi uQueen Mantombi kutholakale upoison kuyasolakala kuyacaca kusobala ukuthi indaba yobukhosi isembangweni kuyaliwa njengamanje and ikhona ivideo lapha ngizoyifaka ivideo ukuthi ke manje ke enxa yama copyright nani kube nzima ukufaka lama video but ngizoyifaka iclip encane
later on the son the siblings of King Cyprian could do this during, you know, when the body of the regent is actually still in the mortuary when she has not even been buried. It's a very un-African conduct. It was that there were toxins in her liver, in fact, which made it difficult for the surgeons to do a post-mortem, and therefore they tried a couple of times to decide to do so, and they didn't do so. But the way toxins and poison, toxins in a
wadlamahlahla ngikane wathabela ngiphoxekile nje ngishaya uvalo ngawo wonke lamanyala engiwabukayo amanyala engiwabuka emaphepheni ngobukhosi thina siyayihlonipha ngisho emizini lapha esigane khona nangendlela esiziphethe ngayo ngoba sihlonipha ubukhosi esiphuma kubo akuyona ipolitiki bondaba le ubukhosi lobo asihlonipheni umdlokombana ubebekezela uNkulunkulu akasize asinikeze ukuhlonipha nokubekezela ngoba ubethwele kanzima ngeke ngiwakhuluma ama
copyright infringements ngiyafisa ngathi sisizwe sakaZulu lento lena singayilungisa masinyane kungase kuvele ufa ngisho abantu bangaphandle gcina sebelibona ufa bethatha njenge opportunity ngoba phela leyandlu leya yona ndlu yena zindlu ezinkulu lapha eAfrica and we cannot lose leya monarch and mina ngiyabelivela Zulu Nation, we Zulu Nation nje independent from South Africa.